Hey everyone, how are you? My name is Ian Kenny, and I'm a professionally certified floor safety specialist with Walkway Management Group. And today we're going to talk about how we can make a floor slip resistant.
1, 2, 3, 4.
First, let's define what slip resistance means so you know what you're trying to achieve. Slip resistance is the relative force that resists the tendency of the shoe or foot to slide along a walkway surface. Slip resistance is related to three main factors: the walkway surface, the footwear bottom, and the presence of foreign materials or contaminants between them. In 2022, modern technology is enhanced to effectively quantify and measure slip resistance. Today, we use the BOT 3000E tribometer to measure the slip resistance of any hard surface. There's even a US national consensus standard that provides required measurements and threshold values depending on the environmental conditions. Check out some resources below if you want to learn more about the BOT 3000E or that national consensus standard. Though this may feel like a complex question, I've simplified it into two main options depending on the floor type and environmental conditions you're dealing with. Okay, let's get into how to make a floor slip resistant. Option 1, deep clean. Deep cleaning is an effective method for hard mineral surfaces, but it must be closely monitored to make sure it's maintaining its effectiveness. When talking about deep cleaning a floor, there's a few key chemical types that must be used. Choosing the correct chemical and concentration to effectively remove contaminants is the most important part. For example, using a high alkaline cleaning agent like a degreaser in a commercial kitchen to remove grease buildup can effectively restore slip resistance. Equally but opposite, using an acidic cleaning agent in a pool deck with hard mineral buildup can effectively reprofile that hard mineral surface to restore slip resistance as well. Note, it is recommended that you use professional grade cleaning agents with proper PPE and safe handling. Also, be aware that many DIY or store-bought non-slip cleaning agents are diluted to the point of ineffectiveness. If you'd like some recommendations on effective cleaning agents, please reach out to me directly and I'd be happy to be a resource for you. Although deep cleaning is only an option for hard mineral surfaces, non-slip sealants and top coats are effective for all floor surfaces like concrete, terrazzo, tile and grout systems, showers, bathtubs, and more. When it comes to non-slip sealants and top coats, we recommend utilizing a product that has a very durable bonding agent and an aggregate that can withstand environmental conditions. We also recommend that after the installation of a non-slip sealant or top coat, that it's monitored closely to make sure it's maintaining its effectiveness. An appropriate bonding agent is one that will provide great adhesion or strong adhesion to the floor or substrate. And an effective aggregate is one that will be evenly dispersed throughout the substrate to provide an effective surface profile. An effective surface profile and strong adhesion are the two key factors here. Here's an example. You'll want to use a solvent-based bonding agent in an environment where there may be standing water, like a pool deck. Using a water-based bonding agent in this environment will be ineffective. You'll want to choose a product that also provides an aggregate that is stably suspended throughout the bonding agent and that is durable enough to not fracture over time, like a corundum. Using a broadcast aggregate like a silica sand will result in an inconsistent surface profile and has a high probability of fracture and failure. Note, be aware that many DIY non-slip top coats and sealants either don't include an aggregate, include a silica sand aggregate, or utilize a bonding agent that's difficult to install appropriately and can ruin a floor. I strongly recommend consulting a professional when considering utilizing a non-slip sealant or top coat. If you'd like some recommendations on non-slip top coats and sealants, please reach out to me directly and I'd be happy to be a resource. To recap, how to make a floor slip resistant. There are two options. Option 1, deep clean, an effective method for hard mineral surfaces only. And option 2, non-slip sealants and top coats, an effective method for all surfaces like VCT, concrete, terrazzo, and more. Although I've simplified how to make a floor slip resistant, one of the most important aspects of a slip resistant floor is implementing measures to monitor the slip resistance of the floor. Monitoring the slip resistance will allow you to maintain the slip resistance, identify potential risks, and assure the effectiveness of your deep clean or your non-slip top coat and sealant. Continuous monitoring can even help protect commercial facilities from slip and fall liabilities and insurance claims. As a professionally certified floor safety specialist, I'd be happy to be a resource and provide more information on slip resistance testing, the U.S. National Consensus Standard, and best practices when it comes to monitoring and maintaining a slip resistant floor. Look out for more videos from me and my team at Walkway Management Group, where floor safety is our specialty. Cheers.